Guys, you gotta check this headlamp out. So this thing has multiple features. It's got a motion sense. It's also got just an on or off button. It's got a flashlight. It's got this really, really bright light right here. Check out how bright this thing's gonna be, even in broad daylight. So you've got this really bright light right here. You can also dim it. There's the flashlight setting right there. You can dim that as well. The best feature with this though, it's got to be the motion sense. So you just click this little button right next to the power button. Let's say you're working on your car and your hands are super greasy or they're just really messy. You've got that motion sense now that you don't even have to touch the button and it comes on. Really, really cool feature on that. Overall, I definitely would recommend this headlamp, especially with this motion sense feature. That'll come in more handy than you think. This thing's even rechargeable as well. If you're interested, check out the link below.